What up, YouTube? It's your boy MB in the place to be. Back with my boy Glenn. Superman Return 2004 Buick Custom LeSabre. As you can see, bam, I cut it out. Got him inside the body, as you can see. Now I gotta weld it. Finna weld it now. See what I mean? Got it cut out and I got it bolted on. See there, I got the bolts in the inside. 1, 2. What I did, drilled the holes and sprayed in there so I can get a nice thing, and I drilled the holes through the door. Everything's still nice and tight. You want to make sure everything's still nice and tight. As you can see, I just stuck something in there to keep my line right, nice and tight. So when the doors open and close, they won't pinch. I painted the car, so I gotta be extra careful now. As you can see, I scratched the fender up, taking it off, so I gotta paint the fender over. And the bumper, scratch the bumper up too. At the bottom of the door, so I gotta paint that over. But this is where we at with it. Got that boy on there. Now I'm finna weld it, so I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, YouTube, when I go weld it. Y'all know what the boy's about. Peace and love.